Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys an off-road trailer we just got in stock. This is a 2018 Cargo Craft 7x16 off-road trailer loaded out full of goodies. This one is in a white blackout package, so you guys can see you've got the nice big black diamond plate corners, black diamond plate front down here, so good rock protection there. Extended triple tube tongue, side swivel jack, removable front coupler, and a generator platform. So lots of good toys right there for you guys to use. This one's stock number 14714. Side door does have a window, nice gutter, LED spotlight, and double lock protection with the RV lock and cam bar. Now this one also has the recessed LED party lights on this side as well, so you guys are gonna have awesome light. You can have the spot on, angle that down, have that more directional, and then just have some great ambiance light right there as well. Two 3,500-pound axles, black American racing wheels, 32-inch mud terrain tires, and a black diamond plate fender. You guys can see too, the off-roads have amazing ground clearance. These are really meant to get off-road, have some fun, and take them where you want to go. Now again, this one's equipped with a power package. You've got an exterior GFI outlet right there. This does have side windows in it. We'll look at that more in a second. Aluminum ladder rack with a roof rack, so you guys have some exterior storage up there. This is a 7x7 rack on top, so great for kayaks or anything that's lighter weight that takes up a lot of space. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath this trailer as well. Black diamond plate wrap around the rear door jamb. It goes all the way around the rear door jamb. Plus you've got a load light spotlight up there, another gutter as well, and LED strip tail lights. Now this one is a rear ramp door with a spring assist close. This is also equipped with my favorite floor. It's the Performance Nudo floor with Drymax. So Nudo is this black flooring product that you see right here, and then underneath it, try and get you guys a better shot right there, is Drymax. Drymax is a product that looks like particle board, but it's not. It's basically the same thing they make cutting boards out of, so it's water resistant, super durable, and that's what's up on the underneath side of the trailer. So much better than having a standard plywood floor. You don't have to worry about your floors rotting out and that sort of thing. So great upgrade there. Let me get you guys a good shot of this side so you can get a good look at the tires and wheels and the ground clearance. Now 7-foot interior height, so we set these up. If you guys have Razors, UTVs, side-by-sides, most of them fit in here no problem. We have a Razor 1000 with bigger tires and wheels. It's a 4-seater and it fits in here great. So if you guys are wondering, great for UTVs and side-by-sides. We've got 4 D-rings ready to go in the floor for tie-down points, and then we also have the recessed E-track in the walls. These are great. We can use the E-track to build bunks off of, tie stuff down, so lots of versatility there. Insulated walls and ceiling, and then you have the white aluminum wall and ceiling liner in here. This one is equipped with a couple of overhead 4-foot LED lights as well, and then you have the puck lights, 2 on each side. So lots of lighting options for the interior. Now this is set up beautifully because it also has a battery in it. So you've got a couple different power options in here. This is a battery with a battery charger, which is what you guys are looking at right there. Now that battery is going to run all of our 12-volt lighting. So that means it's going to run all of your exterior lights. It's going to run all of these puck lights for you guys. And then you don't have to be plugged into your vehicle to have lighting. So that's a really nice option. Then you guys can take your 30-amp power package, which is what this is. You take this box, this nice big long cord, pop it through the floor into a generator, into an extension cord. That's going to power up the trailer, which is going to power up all of your interior outlets, and it's going to run your AC unit with a heat strip and your big 4-foot LEDs on the inside. So again, that's why we love these trailers. They're so versatile. It gives you guys a lot of different options, and even more options with lighting on the interior and exterior of the trailer. So we've already pointed out we do have interior outlets here. We've got 2 here in the front. Looks like a couple on this side, so 4 total. Now the light switch back here, which is great. I love that they set it up this way. You drop this ramp door and you immediately have your light right here. That's going to turn on that spotlight on the exterior so that you can have quick access to load light as well. And then we also have a max air roof vent in here. This has the bubble cover over it so it won't leak water in if you guys accidentally have that open. And then a better shot here. These are the 18x44 slider windows with screens. They are tinted, they're lockable. You guys can even open up the screen and have them fully opened if you want. So lots of versatility with the windows as well. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, we would love to earn your business. We are the exclusive home of the off-road trailer. We do have shipping options available for you guys. So if you don't live near us and you want an off-road trailer, you want to have the coolest trailer around and have some fun, be able to get it out and about and really use the trailers how we want to use them. They're great campers, bug out trailers. People are using them for all different kinds of things. Give us a call and we can get you a shipping quote. 303-688-8485, or you can check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We're located in beautiful Castle Rock, Colorado, and again, we are the exclusive home of the off-road trailer, and we do have the best selection of cargo trailers in the state. So as always, please give us a buzz, and we will do everything we can to help you out. We are a family-owned and operated business, and we appreciate your chance to earn your business. 303-688-8485.